Imagine opening your email one morning and seeing a congratulations message from ISRO saying, "Congratulations, your internship application has been selected." Sounds impossible. It could start with just one application. And in this video, I'm going to share you an amazing opportunity by ISRO where you're learning about AI, ML, and cool things over here and working with the ISRO scientists in their office. So before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Also, hype the video too. So the opportunity is External Student Internship and it is currently live for all the UG, PG and PhD students. If you are a citizen of India, you can apply for this opportunity. Now here are some criteria. We'll cover everything in detail. I'll tell you about the registration guide also. What are the documents required for registration? We'll cover everything in detail. So make sure to like the video and hype the video too. So first of all, you need to see if you belong to these degree and criteria, you can apply for this opportunity. For example, for BE in BTech engineering, we are having should have completed the sixth semester. Okay. MEM Tech first semester, BSc and diploma only final year students are allowed to apply. MSc first semester completed. PhD must have completed the coursework. Okay. Now here is the duration. Minimum time is 45 days and you can see as soon as time increases with the different kinds of degrees over here. Now who can apply for this opportunity? Okay. Only Indian nationals can apply for this opportunity. Here, some important thing is that you need to have a minimum 60% aggregate or a CGPA scale of means if your percentage or means marking scheme is based on CGPA system, it should be 6.32 on the 10. Okay, on the scale of 10 in the disciplines of science and technology. Okay, this is the second thing over here. Now, you have to just get your no objection certificate or recommendation from college or institute where you are studying. You can just coordinate with your faculty members, they'll guide you regarding it. And you have to just upload it during the application process. Next thing is that if you're not selected, you won't be getting any email. If you're selected, you'll be getting an email over here. Here, one more important thing is that, okay, students should bring 3 colored passport size photograph and all the original copies of the document. The documents can be NOC, your education certificate from 10th to all the degrees. Okay, government ID like Aadhaar card will be needed. So all the documents which you use for filling any of the internship form or admission, you need to carry the complete file. Whatever they'll ask, you'll provide it, and whatever is required, you can just share with them. Okay. Application can be submitted twice in a year, means 2 times. Okay. Last date of this particular application is 31st of October, and one more cohort was there. That was 31st of March, which is, I think, ended. So the second cohort is running, which will end on 31st of October. Okay. Online applications are being accepted other than dot. Now here you can see other informations are there. The internship project work will be allotted based on the number of availability. Okay. Means number of projects which are available and expertise which is suitable to your course and degree structure. All application received will be just verified, scrutinized. Okay. They'll just check and they will be allotting the center and unit as per their norm. Project trainees interns shall not be eligible. So here you need to understand you won't be getting any stipends, means money for this is not a paid internship. You are getting a free of cost opportunity. One more important thing, you won't be getting any accommodation facility during the internship opportunity means they won't be providing you a place to sleep or food, etc. for this internship. Okay, you have to bear it yourself over here. Here you can get the access to their labs for completing some of the tasks which they'll be guiding you. Okay. So all these things they have mentioned over here. Registration is currently live. If I miss anything, you can just check out over here. I'll share the link in the description. How to apply? You have to click on this apply now option. Okay. Now when you click on apply now, a link will open. You have to click on open. Okay. And just open the link over here. Now here you have to just enter your name as per your Aadhaar card, email address, nationality, Aadhaar number, upload the both front and back side. You can convert it into PDF and upload over here. Password and just click on register over here. Once you have registered, it will ask for your personal details. You have to enter all your personal details, parents name, etc. After that, address details, education details, where you have to just share your all details from 10th to graduation or post graduation or PhD, whatever you have completed. Other details you have to mention. Upload your photo, ID, and signature and select course. During selection of course, you'll find multiple options over there. You have to select this one. Okay. External Student Internship. Let me just show you what you have to select. So here it is. I have made a video in Hindi also. You'll find it. Okay. If you want, I'll share the link in the description. So in course and internship program, you have to select External Student Internship over here and apply for this opportunity. Okay. Discipline again, External Student Internship. And your matching qualification you have to select from this particular drop down and just do next and submit over here. All the details you have to submit one by one. Once you have done, you'll be getting a confirmation email mostly, and if you are selected, you'll be notified for that too. So this is how you have to apply for this amazing opportunity. If you have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Also in the channel, we have covered different kinds of opportunity like Google apprenticeship opportunity. You'll be getting a chance to work directly in Google and work with different roles. Whether you are from IT background or not, you can apply for this opportunity completely free of cost because the registration will be closing super soon. You can apply for these opportunities too. One more important thing I wanted to share over here that for all these internship opportunities, you don't have to pay a single rupees over here to anyone. Okay, that it is completely free of cost. Regarding this particular external student internship, the application may close anytime soon. I'll suggest just hurry up and fill the form before it is too late. Here are some important things you need to understand. During the NOC certificate, what you have to obtain, you have to just coordinate with your college and institute where you have to just ask them to provide the NOC. Just explain that you are applying for this amazing internship. They'll just write the details of yours that they have no objection. Add a stamp over here and just sign in. Mostly you can coordinate with your faculty member or just coordinate with the dean or HOD, anyone. Okay, he's the head of the institution. You can coordinate with them also if no one is helping over here. Also, you have to just submit, carry the same passport color size photo which you are uploading over here so that everything is matched. Okay. Do not upload random photograph over here because if you add any wrong details over here, chances of rejection during the document verification won't be allowed over here. So this thing we have covered and confirmation letter. Okay. If you are selected, you'll be getting the confirmation letter via email, not through post office because a lot of people are thinking that they'll be getting directly from the post office itself. So no, confirmation letter will be sent to you via email, which you are registering and using in this particular opportunity. Okay. So these are the things. I think most of the thing we have already covered. If you want, you can apply for different academic programs also. You can see different opportunities are there. Here, if you want to learn about their learning program, e-learning, courses, academic groups, all things are there. You can explore this website too. And I have shared the link in the description. This was the thing I wanted to share. Thank you. Goodbye and have a great day.